Hi guys, so I just thought I can update us on how far we've come. So we have 4 chicks, 4 kids, Guinea fowls, and we have 1 duckling. The chicks are about 11 days old, and the kids are about, I don't know if you can see them clearly, the reflection of the bulb. The kids are about 14 days old today. So far we're doing fine. They've been given their first vaccine, and yeah, we're doing good in here. Remember I told you that I'm also trying to sorry about that. So remember I told you that I'm also trying for the very first time to incubate chicken eggs, guinea fowl eggs, and a few duck eggs. So they're in here so far. This is what we have all together. We have 176 eggs in here. It's a learning process. We're slowly learning and hoping that we hatch enough eggs. So far so good. We should be shifting some of the eggs by 10th. Today is 7th, so wish me luck guys, wish me luck. First attempt. We have a few challenges with load shedding, so every midnight power goes off for about 12 hours. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing what will happen, how the hatch rate is going to be, because I'm afraid that the load shed is going to affect us, but let's see, fingers crossed. Thank you for watching.